Donnie from Pit Junkies. So I want to talk about smoke for a minute. We got the smoker fired up that we just finished building. Here in a minute I'll show the fire, but you can see the smoke. It's just a thin blue smoke. It's not a thick white or gray smoke. White, gray smoke you don't want. You want a thin blue where you can see the heat trace and just a light color in the smoke. That's what you want. That's what's going to give you that good that good wood smoke flavor. Not, not a nasty smoke flavor that, tastes like you've been chewing on a campfire. You want a nice flame. You want to see the flame dancing. You don't want a smoldering fire. I'm gonna open the door up. In the first couple seconds, you'll see the flame, how it's cooking right now. But once I open it up, it's gonna get rushed with oxygen. So it'll kind of get out of control. But the first couple seconds, you'll see just a nice, good fire. Nothing crazy. Get a good bed of coals. And you see it's starting to take off because it's getting all the oxygen. Close it down to the setting where it's getting just enough oxygen to run good and clean and efficient and produce some good, clean smoke. You hear people talk about, my uncle used to soak all his wood in water, and that's fine. You can do it if you want. If you want to just taste nasty smoke where it tastes like you've been chewing on a log out of a campfire, and it's the only thing you taste and it just kills your palate where you can't taste anything else, that's fine. You can do what you want, but around here that's not how we do things. We run a good clean fire, get a good clean smoke, and that's what produces the good barbecue with the good wood flavor, because you want to use that smoke as an ingredient. It shouldn't be the only thing you taste. But I just want to touch on that. Y'all have a good one.